guys, I'm Govind Chandak, Business Head of NSGM India. We're a premium digital marketing and data science training company offering both online and offline modes of learning. So today I'm going to speak about how to improve your followers on Instagram in an organic way that is absolutely free of cost. Please note that we are talking here about algorithms and the other neighborhoods that you should be using on Instagram. I'm creating a whole separate video on how to optimize your profile on Instagram to improve the count of followers. Please watch this video till end and stay tuned. I'm directly taking you to my laptop screen to discuss further. This is for you all to how to increase the followers on Instagram. This checklist is based on the algorithms on which the social media platform runs actually. So number one is using the right hashtags. So guys, we all know that hashtags helps you to attract more set of audience, but the question arises which hashtags to use. So rule number one, always check what your competitors are using. Rule number two, always check what are your inspirational profiles are using. Rule number three, take help from some good apps like RightTags, which gives you trending hashtags. Rule number four, always put up geo-level hashtags. For example, I'm a digital marketing company headquartered in Pune, so I'll always use the hashtag digital marketing Pune or hashtag digital marketing Mumbai if you are in Mumbai. Rule number five, always guys go to the Instagram, and if you're a good startup and you want your post to be trending, so we can check on the Instagram and hit hashtag digital marketing. If you say that hashtag digital marketing has already had 10 lakh posts, and when let's say I have 0 followers, it becomes really difficult to be on one of the trending posts for this hashtag. So you need to search for the hashtags where you have less than 50,000 posts, because there the chance of ranking yourself into the trending post becomes very high. So for example, I can put digital marketing tools, I can put digital marketing strategies, I can put digital marketing companies, I can put digital marketing courses, I can put digital marketing jobs, I can put hashtag digital marketing India, so on and so forth. So you can pick up the hashtags which are relevant to your business, and then you can put up the hashtags in right way. So putting up the right hashtags has make a lot of sense. Let's move further and understand the second algorithm of social media, which is upon preferring comments over likes. So guys, please understand that every social media channels prefer more comments or likes, because more number of comments indicates that the content is really good. If the content is really good, social media channels will rank your post on a higher level as compared to others. Okay, so whenever you upload a post, the first 2 hours are super crucial. So try to get as many comments as possible. Do not aim for 200 likes and 20 comments. Aim for 20 likes and 200 comments. Comments will actually drive your deeper engagement, and hence it will improve the position of the post that is you are looking forward to. Going to the next story, it is about links. That please you have to focus on activating a See More link. So what is a See More link, guys? Those who don't know the See More link, I'll just quickly tell you. So let's say this is one of the posts that I have made on social media. Can you see this See More link? Okay, this is called a See More link. Now, what is the science behind this? If let's say more and more people are hitting on the See More link, then social media algorithms think that the content is really good, because more and more people are interested to read the entire caption. So in that case, try to get a See More link. How do you do that? Let's say you are typing out your caption, let's say in a 5, 6, 7 sentences, whatever you want to put down. Then come down, let's say 15-20 lines, and put up all your hashtags. Automatically you will get a See More link. If not in this way, after writing the caption, put your dot in every line and put up the hashtags in the end. We will get a See More link. Either we call it as a See More link or a More link on Instagram. That is the same story. Also, when we are talking about links, if you're using any kind of links, let's say your website URL link or a Facebook post URL link or a LinkedIn URL, please do not put up any kind of links into your caption, because social media algorithms are things that you are sending the traffic out of their channel, so they will not rank you higher. So in case of any links, please put them in the first comment below. About the count of Instagram stories and Instagram post. So guys, on an average, you should definitely publish at least 9 Insta stories in a day and an Instagram post in every 3 to 6 hours. Now, there is a one good question someone asked me, that what is the story drop off? What is the maximum drop off rate? So for example, if I have 100 followers and the first story has been viewed by 100 followers, and how many people can end up to end this story? So the maximum drop off should be maximum up to 25 to 30%. So for example, first story is viewed by 100 people, till last story at least 75 people should reach in. If that is not case, please focus on your content, make your content more impeccable, more visually compelling, so that maximum people return on that. It's about using the other neighborhoods of the content. So, for example, if I talk about you, we should be leveraging Instagram stories more and more because the retention is very high. There are little disturbances on stories as compared to the feed post. Secondly, you should definitely leverage podcast, which is an audio form of content, and always try to use swipe up, guys. Always try to use swipe up link. The next point I want to talk about is exit pop-ups. Exit pop-ups play a major role because that is the last hack. That is the last hack when you can get a user when he's trying to exit your website. So the sample pop-up I want to show is something like this. Just check this out. Sharing is awesome. Do it on Facebook, so on and so forth. So here you can get more number of followers for your social media channels, and this is one of the great hacks. It can be designed by a tool called as hellobar.com. There are a lot many other tools, but this is one of the easiest tools that you can use it, and of course it is absolutely free of cost. Cross-following. So we see that the users are omnipresent. So for example, they are present on YouTube, they're present on Instagram, they're present on Facebook, LinkedIn, and so on and so forth. So you can ask people who are following on you on YouTube that please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can ask Facebook people to follow you on Instagram and YouTube. You can ask YouTube people to follow on you on, let's say, LinkedIn or any other social media channels. So cross-following helps you to leverage the audience from your one channel to the other. Secondly, you can also email people with the educational material, and then into that you can give a call to action that please follow me on Facebook or Instagram to stay updated with latest tips and trends. So this is how you can leverage the audience of one channel to get it followed you on the other channels as well. So guys, the next point is about video content, like leveraging videos. So for example, guys, now consumer behavior has changed a lot and people now absorb a hell lot of content through videos. Thanks to the internet, which we are getting at a much cheaper rate, and hence we consume a lot of videos. But remember one ground rule, guys, while making videos, please try to communicate a story and add an emotional touch into it. This will help to make your video viral, and hence more engagement and better circulation of your content. The last part is about collaborating with the influencers to amplify your brand. Yes, guys, please collaborate with influencers, rather micro influencers at a local level, to amplify the reach of your brand. It will help you to get more followers and also the leverage the audience of that influencer onto your channel as well.